This is the video about managing HD service consumables in Branch. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Click on the Administration tab. Next, click Branch Management. Select the branch name. At the submenu on the left, select HD Service Items. There are two types of bundles, CDC bundle and vascular bundle. The bundle is the consumables that are used for one patient during one treatment. This CDC bundle is the consumables that are used for patients with CDC access. While the vascular bundle is the consumables that are used for patients with vascular access. When you click on the drop-down arrow, you can see the list of items in the bundle. Click Edit to edit the items. Here, you can edit the quantity of the items. If you want to add new item, scroll down and click Add Item. Type in the item name, fill in the details, and click Save. The item are now been added to the consumables. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.